I always help them like that too. It's funny because sometimes I chase myself past when I got, for length. It's like, I miss that 10.5 footer.
Oh, I love my 10.5 footer. It's gonna have like a couple bits in there. Yeah, well, thanks, Dustin. And I'm glad it was you too. It threw me off. I seen that fish jump and I looked. I'm like, fuck, some guy's piano standing there.
I left the house at 3 o'clock this morning. It was the first shirt I grabbed.
Because the dandy fish came up and went underneath that root wad. So I jumped. You see me jump in the water?
Yeah, I seen that.
Just spooky. Fucking tough day. Sure shit, I did. It came up here, and I looked up there, and somebody got fish on it. I'm like, no fucking way. I just really fucked up. I just spooked it down. No. And I thought, oh, fuck it. I'll come up here anyway. Maybe it went on by. And I still couldn't tell until you started to talk.
I wasn't sure if it was you until I seen the 2 bait boxes. But you were pretty close by then. So. Put that bitch on the bottom.
I got a big old spoon.
I've got one go like that today already. Yeah, I let him fight it and lost it, and then I caught it again. And that was a fucking idiot.
Fuck.